So 2.5 for bed, good for 2 with breakfast. Alag diga. Morning! Morning! So this is the room, 2.5 101. It's nice little room. You got water, kettle, they got kettle, aircon, electric fan in the bathroom. Oh, nice big one. Oh, golly. Nice big toilet. Shower. It's not bad. So this is the 2.5. Good for 2. But their swimming pool is not working at the moment, so. Thank you.
Lovely. Sell on that. No, he's alright.
It's alright.
He's okay. Yeah.
Full close. Full close. Full close. Ang ganda pa naman ng view. My God. Laki. So that's the beach. Well, the sea. Just throw the rubbish there. Oh, I like that. This is their kitchen. Another resort there. My gosh.
Where's that from? Right, this is. There's
Yeah.
that explosion. Someone just want to go to the cafe.
Nandito kami sa Toledo City. Stop by for a drink. Galing kami sa isang resort din. It was empty, just us. Ito, Acapulco Resorts. May restaurant sila. Mukhang masarap ang pagkain. Kailang maaga pa. Tsaka ang ganda ng resort nila. Oh, ang laki ng swimming pool. So, but we are not staying. We are going by the mountain. Gusto ko ng mountain eh. Gusto ko mag-stay ng mountain. Yung inistihan namin kagabi, nasa seaside, kaya lang hindi pwede lumabas ng sea kasi nasa taas siya. Nasa, yung building niya, on top of rock. Pero maganda, masarap magluto yung cook nila. Ayan. On the road again. At saka, ito na yung halo-halo. Ay, ang sarap naman mag-upo dyan. Mag-inom-inom ng cocktail. Restaurant nila, malaki. Dito kami sa Acapulco. Ang ganda ng nila, ang ganda ng resort nila. Oh. Ang laki ng swimming pool. Sarap maligo dyan. Bumili pa naman ako ng swimsuit. Maganda rin kasi walang mga tao. Walang titingin. Private na private. Maganda. Kitang-kita yun ang Negros Island. Galing kami dyan nung isang araw.